I just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how you can control whether if the grid lines or the heading, with the heading being the numbers and these letters, showing whenever you go to print something in Microsoft Excel. So to adjust these settings, you can go to page layout, and then right here towards the right, there's sheet options, and you can have grid lines that are either view and print, and headings view and print. And you can control the settings just by clicking and unchecking the box. So now, if we unclick view for grid lines, as we can see, those aren't shown anymore. And if we unclick view for headings, as we can see, the letters at the top and the numbers on the side aren't showing anymore. And right now, as you can see, when you go to page layout, the grid lines and headings aren't checked for print. So when you go to file and then print, as we can see, we don't see the headings or the grid lines in the print preview. But now, whenever we go to page layout, and then grid lines show it when print, go to file, print. As we can see, now the grid lines are being shown. And when you go to page layout, and then headings, and then click the print box, when you go to file, print, so you can see now the headings are shown whenever we go to look at the print preview. As I said, I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. And if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. And subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss out on more Excel tutorials. I post 2-3 times a week. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.